Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna go through my Dogman comic book collection and my Big Nate comic book collection. Let's get into Dogman. Alright. So I'll do what I did with like my Captain Underpants book series. With all these books here. And this is another Dave Pilkey book. And he wrote Dogman books too. I like Dogman books. So we have Dogman book 1. I had a sticker on it. Cover. Then we have book 2, Dogman Unleashed. Front. Page. Back. And we're on the third book. And this is Dogman, I Tailored 2 Kitties. Go to front page. Back. Then we have Dogman and Cat Kid. I got this one from Target. Front page chapters, front page, and then backside. And then we have Dogman, For Whom the Ball Rolls. I think that's the name. Front page and back. Then I have my Dogman journal. Looks like my Dogman diary. Back. And I'm not showing you the inside because that's my diary. I'm not showing you my diary. Now let's get in the Big Nate books. Alright. So we have Big Nate Game On. I got this one from St. Vinny's for some reason. Front page, back. That one's like a all about sports book. Then we have Big Nate, the Gerbil Ate My Homework. Front page. And then back side. Then we have Big Nate Makes the Grade. Front page. Turn around. Back side. Subscribe if you have all these books. Thanks for watching. Bye. Subscribe now.